Welcome. If you want to connect fake AirPods Pro to your iPhone, at the first you have to open charging case of this AirPods, then you have to move to the settings, tap on the Bluetooth. Of course we have to turn on Bluetooth, and as you can see right now, here we get our AirPods, so we can easily tap to connect. And if you have a problem that they are not appear on the screen, you have to open the case, rotate the case, and then you have to click and hold this button for a few seconds, and when they pops on the list, you have to just simply tap. So click like that, and as you can see right now, they're connected. We can put this case to the ear, and we can hear this characteristical synchro sound. So as you can see, it's very easy. So that's how we can connect fake AirPods Pro to your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!